If you want to take a partial screenshot on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can use 3 fingers and you can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then after a second you should be able to select the area that you want to capture, just like that. Of course you can delete the screenshot, you can save it. Over here at the bottom we have some additional options that you can go through, many different things that you can do, and of course you can revert the whole selected area if that's what you need. Besides that, you can also press and hold 3 fingers, and then once the layout is activated, you can actually swipe down to the point where you want to crop the screenshot, so you can capture that screenshot like that as well. You can of course still adjust the selected area if needed by using these sides where we have like white colors on the sides, or of course by using corners. Not only that, if we go to Control Center or Quick Settings, you should be able to find the screenshot button somewhere over here. But you don't want to really tap on the button itself, you want to tap on the text that is below the button. And then in here we can tap on partial screenshot as well. And this is how we can capture a partial screenshot too. This is another way. Now, if the 3-finger touch and hold gesture does not work for you, you want to open settings on your phone, go to accessibility and convenience, then in here search for the screenshot option. And then we have the 3-finger touch and hold option, so of course we need to make sure that it is enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.